Welcome to the section on building a custom view. In this section, we are going to go through a series of tutorials that will teach you how to build a custom circular progress bar. Let me go ahead and show you a demo. This is the component that we're going to build, and when you take a look at it, we have a progress bar that can display a percentage value from 0 to 100, and as the value changes, you can notice that depending upon the value, the color of the progress bar also changes. And the value is also animated, and you have a nice little animation that would change the value of the progress bar as it increases and decreases. So this is what we're going to build. Initially, I'll show you how to get the metrics for your custom view using GIMP, an open source image editing program. And then following that, I'll show you how to draw the basic shapes using the Android 2D graphic APIs. Once we draw the shapes, then we'll be proceeding with the animation, and I'll also show you how to use interpolators to change the value of the progress bar as well as the color. And we'll also be dealing with more advanced topics like backward compatibility, and I'll also show you how to add XML attributes for your custom view. That's about it. Let's go ahead and get started on this.